Hello, welcome back. This is part 4. Sorry, I forgot to put on the draw. This is part 4 of the video. So if you're just finding this, go click on the link in the description or whatever for part 1, and this will make sense. And notice that that guy and that guy are in the same spot they were in the daytime, in the nighttime scene. See the fake cars back there? There's one specific shot that I'm going to look for here, and I hope I don't screw it up. But do you see this car here? This is Tati's family car. Like, they had to sell all their stuff, and they were down to just this car at one point during the production. But that's not his wife behind the wheel in this shot. And look at these people up here. There's one shot. Hang on. Let's get through this part here. I just love these people up here. And there's a fake Hulo up here too. Watch this guy. Watch that guy. These people. Obviously, this last shot is so much like 8.5. You know what? It's possible that that's the family car. Not that one, sorry. And that's the shot right there, I believe. That is Tati's wife driving the family car. And again, it's insinuated that Tati and the actress playing Barbara were having an affair. So she's on the bus here. And this shot is looking down from the overhead in the building where I showed you that fake Hulo a second ago. So it's a circle of life type of thing, very similar to the parade at the end of 8.5. And his wife is going one way and his mistress is going another. But the whole thing is going around in a circle. This shot is just about the reflection. There's nothing else to it and nothing else to watch. So obviously that's a metaphor for the vision, but also see how those are passed through and those are dark. That's it. Thank you for joining me on this little adventure. If you want to leave any comments, questions, whatever, go ahead. And otherwise, I'll see you next time. All right, bye.